Hi friends, today in this video we are going to see the second part of the poem Snake Trying. Before that one video we have seen about the snake trying. It is American accent and American culture. About that we have seen in that poem. But in this present poem we are going to learn about the Indian culture, what we are thinking about the snakes and what we have the ideas concept about the snake, their poison, about their living styles and about their place in our society. So this poem is written by the South Indian one poet. This is a green snake. Actually, the first we have seen that snake trying to, the same snake is there. In that also the green snake was there, and in this poem also the green snake is there. Actually, both writers, both composers are not attached to each other. I don't have any idea, but still they are presenting their society to their poems. B.R. Lakshman Rao, he is one, but translated by, it is the A.K. Ramanujan. The original poem is into the Kannada language by B.R. Lakshman Rao, and it is translated by the A.K. Ramanujan. So if you are new on the channel, to please subscribe the channel and like the video, and if anything is there, please comment on the video. So the first answer here, early in the morning, what its background is very village, a small village, and in that village early in the morning we have some activities. The same activities are there, especially it is a time of old time. There was no special bathrooms, special everything what we have today is kitchen and everything. There that time the bathrooms were outside the village, outside the house, outside the on the porch, and small children, especially small children, were bathing on the outside only, and they were sitting on the one big stone, flat type stone, and on that they can bath, they can just washing the clothes or washing the mouth. Early in the morning these activities were happening there. Therefore under that stone there is always a wetness, always the water, and the cool atmosphere is there, where especially the frogs, scorpions, snakes, they are hidden their places, they have find their place to hide. And the same place, on the one same house, where early in the morning, the day before yesterday, the poet is talking about the day before yesterday, 1-2 days before that happened. Okay, under the slab of stone, one type of slab was flat stone is there. Under that slab stone there was glittering eyes in a crack. In a crack means under the side we can see this eyes glittering. Two eyes were glittering under the stone, inside the stone, and somebody has seen it. So fork, tongue licking and flashing. His tongue also is flashing. So if suppose the eyes were there, we can understand it is a frog or something, but the tongue is also slashing. You know about the snake, how it is flashing and licking the tongue. You can understand, and you have a better idea about it. The same it is doing here, but problem he is what with the snake, he is already fed full stomach and he can't be run fastly. A frog swelling his belly. In his belly already he has taken one food, he has swallowed one frog, big frog, and therefore it's very cool and calm there, it is not moving away. He lay there quietly, and just for digesting the food he was quietly sitting there, quietly sleeping there. My baby, a baby snake, 2 hands long, near about 2 hands long, and baby snake was not a biggest one, big snake is there, very small it is. A green snake, it is also the green snake, means 100% it is not harmful to anyone according to the poem. Why he is giving the green snake only? The green snake is not harmful, it is not poisonous, it is just eating the insects, frogs and rats, they are eating only, so it is not harming one. But still, poor thing, it's a green snake, still a baby. I was telling that it is a very poor thing, it is a green snake, small one. But my father, what harm can it do? I told that it will not harmful to anyone, it will not harmful to any person, because it's very small one. And my idea was, I was taking the education in the school, I learned most of the things about the snake. The snake is a friend of the farmer, and snake, such type of snakes are not very harmful, such type of snakes are very good. That many things I read, because writer is taking the education and his father and mother has not taken the education. They had something different ideas. Due to his education in the book somewhere, he has learned that this type of snakes are not very uh, dangerous for even the children. And the same thing he's telling to his father, telling to his mother, but his mother and father is not listening his words, because he's small and nobody can understand what he's really telling. And what his father is giving the words, his father has a different idea about the snake. He says that in third stanza, my father replied. What his father is replied? A snake is a snake. Yes, you are telling me whether it is green, red, yellow, I don't care, I don't know. Snake is a snake only. So we say that enemy is enemy. We can't say that he is which type of person, he is good or bad, I don't know, but he is my enemy and enemy is enemy. So his father is telling the same thing. Snake is a snake. We can't say it is a good or bad. There is no any argument about it. So, and my mother also tell me, his mother also telling the same thing. That's where everyone walk. Nah, this is a place where everyone is walking from this side, because the place, the stone is on the porch only, in the porch only, and therefore on the way, and everybody is walking from the doors to outside and inside by the door. And therefore anytime means what is, suppose it is a night time and somebody has kept the leg on by mistake on this snake, it will be harmful to us. Therefore everybody is walking from here. We don't need any trouble, we don't want any trouble. And suddenly suppose it is came out and by mistake we kept the leg, and it will be killed, it will be bite to small children also, or can be to anyone. So it is very important to kill that. We don't want any trouble, we can't take any type of risk about this snake. And therefore the words listened by the poet, and as a child his father ordered to him to kill that snake. But poet is not ready, poet is educated and child. So he said that I can't do it, I can't kill. I rejected the order of my mother also and my father also. But will they listen? No, they can't listen very easily. My father struck him with a piece of firewood. And what my father did? My father took one burning wood, one stick of burning wood from the burning place, and for the oven, from oven, and move inside the crack, and it filled, because the crack should not be could not be moved from that place. So snake felt warmness and it started running outside, and it came outside, chased him outside. And after that my father chased that snake and killed him flat. On that moment when it is came outside, my father killed that snake, and my father that was dead. It was the comment on the society of the India, why we should on the one side we are praying for the god, we are doing the worship, we are worshipping the snakes, and on the other side we are killing the snakes. This is a hypocrisy for somewhere, according to the poet, not is my observation, but this we should understand. On the one side, when we are talking about the American culture, it is the Western culture, without any religious factors, without any type of natural godness, but still they are taking care of the snakes, or taking care of the nature. And we Indian are not specially think about. According to poet, that can possible that they could catch the snake and live into the forest or live somewhere, but they killed it. That is one reason. Without they don't want to take any risk for that. This way the poem is very simple and very understandable to anyone. Anybody can understand it very easily without so I hope you understand the poem and you have the better ideas about the poem. You can now read and you can discuss the poem by yourself. If any problem is there regarding the poem, please comment me on the comment box, and you can ask me on the WhatsApp number also. Thank you for watching this, and please press the bell icon And if still you are not subscribed the channel, subscribe it, and don't forget to visit my blog, that is philoindia.blogspot.com. Thank you.